Standard 7 Mathematics 14th lesson Algebraic Formula Expansion of Square. In this we are going to use three formulas. First one is a plus b the whole square. Second is a minus b the whole square. And third is a plus b into a minus b. Now the expansion of this formula a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means if a is the first, this is the first term and this is the second term, then the expansion is first term square plus double of first term into second term. That is a double of the multiplication of first term and second term plus second term square. Okay. So a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the same way, a minus b the whole square we have to do. So it will be the same formula, only the middle sign will be minus as it is a minus b. So the expansion is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is the first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Now the third formula is a plus b into a minus b. Here the expansion is a square minus b square, that is the first term square minus second term square. Using these three formulas we have to solve the exercises practices from the 14th lesson. Now we'll go to the practice set 50. The first question, expand 5a plus 6b. Now in this the first term is 5th a and second term is 5th b. So we are going to use this first formula, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that means first term is 5a, second term is 6th b. So this is first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So we'll solve in that way. First term square, first term is 5a. So 5a square, okay, first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So first term is 5a, second term is 6th b. So 5a square plus 2 into 5a into 6b plus 6b square. So now we have to find out the square of 5a, that means square of 5 and square of a also. So 5 square is 5 5s are 25 and a square is, we have to write a square plus, now multiply these numbers first, 2 5s are 10, 10 6 are 60 and this variable ab, so this is 60ab plus 6b the whole square, so 6 square is 36, b square is b square. So this is the answer for the first question, 5a plus 6b the whole square. Second question, a upon 2 plus b upon 3 the whole square. First term is a upon 2, second term is b upon 3. So same we'll use this first formula, first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So the first term is a upon 2, so a upon 2 the whole square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Now this is in the numerator denominator form, so we'll write in the numerator, we'll write the numerator square and denominator will write the denominator square. So the a square is a square, 2 square is 4 plus. Now here we can cancel this 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, so we can cancel this 2. Now numerator, this is a and b, so numerator ab and in the denominator only 3, so this is ab upon 3 plus square of b upon 3, so b square is b square and 3 square is 9. Now the third question, 2p minus 3q the whole square. Here we have to use the second formula, a minus b the whole square. The expansion is first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Only in the middle minus sign will come. Now this is 2a minus 3 2p minus 3q. So this is 2p square minus 2 into 2p into 3q plus 3q square. First term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So 2p square is 2 square is 4, p square is p square, minus sign, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, pq plus 3q square is 9q square. Now the fourth sum, x minus 2 upon x the whole square. So first term is x, second term is 2 upon x, and the second formula will use because minus sign is there. So first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So x square is x square minus, now it is a numerator denominator, so we can cancel this x and x, one from numerator, one from denominator, and this both the 2's are in the numerator, so we cannot cancel, we have to multiply this. So 2 2's are 4 plus 2 upon x the whole square, so 2 square is 4 and x square is x square. So this is fourth answer. Fifth is ax plus by the whole square. First term is ax, so first term square, plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Now ax the whole square, so a square x square, square of both, square of a, square of x, plus, now here only 2 is there, so 2 ax by, will write in alphabetical order, a b x y plus square of by, that is b square y square. Similarly, sixth sum, 7m minus 4 the whole square, first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. So 7m the whole square is 7 square is 49, m is m square. 2 7s are 14, 14 4s are 56, m minus sign, plus 4 4s are 16. So this is the answer. X plus half the whole square, first term square plus 2 into first term into second term and second term square. X square is x square. Now here in the numerator denominator, so 2 we can cancel, so only x has left. No need to write 1 in the denominator, so we'll write only x, plus 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. Now we'll do the last sum from the first expand. So first term is a, second term is 1 upon a, minus sign. So second formula will use first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. A square is a square minus, now this is in numerator and this is in denominator, so we can cancel a, only 2 has left, plus 1 square is 1 and a square is a square.